The Hindu shorthand dictation, total words 560, speed 80 word per minute. Start. The Union Health Ministry has revised its discharge guidelines for COVID-19 patient, saying only those with severe illness need to test negative through a swab test discharge. Other categories of patients vary: mild, pre-symptomatic and moderate cases need not be tested before discharge. The 2-page revised guidelines replaces the rule that patient could be discharged only after testing negative on the 14th and 21st day after confirmation of the infection. Para. The guidelines states that the revised policy is aligned with the guidelines on the theatre COVID-19 health facilities and the categorization of patients based on clinic severity: mild, moderate and severe. Reacting of the revised guidelines, Srinivas Rajkumar, General Secretary, All India Institute of Medical Sciences Residents Doctors Association, said the decision to send back COVID-19 positive patients without testing was a disaster in the making. People sent back untested may spread the virus in the community. What was the government doing for 40 days without arranging enough testing facilities? Is the government ready to sacrifice 2 lakh Indians or more to COVID-19 based on estimates? He said. Para. Under the latest guidelines, mild, very mild and pre-symptomatic cases admitted to a COVID-19 care facility will undergo regular temperature and pulse monitoring. Patient can be discharged after 10 days of symptom onset, and if they have no fever for 3 days, there will be no need for testing prior to discharge. The revised guidelines says. It adds that at the time of discharge, patients will be advised to follow home isolation for 7 more days. It further clarifies that after discharge from the facility, if patients develop symptoms of fever, cough or breathing difficulty, they must contact a COVID-19 care center, state helpline or call 1075. Their health will again be followed up through the teleconference on day 14. Moderate cases will undergo monitoring of body temperature and oxygen saturation. If fever resolve within 3 days and a patient maintains saturation above 95% for the next 4 days without oxygen support, he or she will be discharged after 10 days of onset of symptoms in case there is no fever without anti-fever drugs, no breathlessness and no need for oxygen. There will again be no need for testing prior to discharge, and home isolation for 7 days is suggested with close monitoring of health, notes the guidelines. Explaining the rationale for discharging mild, moderate cases without testing. A senior ICMR scientist told The Hindu, studies outside India have shown that positive test result does not mean the person is still infectious. They may be positive for the virus but can remain non-infectious. Para. He further explained that 10 days after the disease set in, people might not be infectious, but once discharged, they should stay at home for 5 days. The ministry's revision also takes into account the fact that hospitals are reaching their handling capacities. The US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention too had revised the guidelines on May 6, saying that no negative test for the virus is needed before a hospitalized person can be discharged. The CDC says decisions about discharge should be based on clinic's status and the ability of the accepting facility to meet their care needs and adhere to recommended infection prevention and control practices. Stop.